You ever wondered what your nightmares are really trying to tell you? What if each one were a chilling warning? A coded message about your life that you haven't yet realized? Some might say they're just illusions of the mind, that the truth is far more disturbing. What they truly reveal about you could change everything. Let's uncover the secrets together. Nightmares and their possible causes, mentioning Freud's theory on dream interpretation. Nightmares, those eerie fragments of our nighttime experiences, hold much more than fleeting frights. Freud suggested that these dreams could be portals into the dark recesses of the mind, where fear and desire intertwine. It's at this intersection of the conscious and unconscious where curiosity resides, our urge to understand what haunts us in our sleep. What few realize is that modern science has delved even deeper into these shadowy realms. Some argue that each nightmare reveals a hidden facet of our psyche, a piece that, once understood, could either liberate or imprison us in an endless cycle of terror. But what really triggers these nightmares? Perhaps the answer is closer than we think. The difference between personal recurring dreams, specific to an individual, and general recurring dreams, common to many people. There's a haunting difference between nightmares that come from our personal depths and those that, strangely, seem universal. Personal recurring nightmares can become a unique and tormenting puzzle, a window into fears that individuals prefer to keep hidden. On the other hand, recurring dreams that appear to plague humanity at large might suggest something much darker, mystery that transcends individual psyche. Imagine, then, what it means when millions around the world share the same terrifying experience night after night. Are these nightmares merely reflections of our daily anxieties, or is there something more sinister at play, a manifestation of a collective terror that defies explanation? Question remains. As we delve into the most common nightmares, the scene grows even more disturbing. These repeated dreams, seemingly mundane, carry hidden meanings, each reflecting deep-seated fears and anxieties. There's something almost scientific in their precision, as if they are coded messages from the mind to the body, warnings of an internal imbalance. Among the various forms these nightmares can take, 6 stand out with greater frequency, suggesting that there are hidden patterns in human fear. Whether they stem from trauma, biological failure, or phenomena yet to be understood, each nightmare harbors a primitive and fascinating terror. Let's begin with the first. Nightmare of falling or drowning, associated with stress and life difficulty. The nightmare of falling or drowning is one of the most frequent and unsettling. Science suggests that these visions may be responses to intense stress or life difficulty, reflecting a sense of losing control. The sensation of being at the mercy of forces beyond our understanding can, in extreme cases, seem like a forewarning of imminent danger. But there's a darker side. These nightmares might be a form of communication from something deeper, perhaps a manifestation of a scientific terror beyond common knowledge. The lingering question is whether these dreams are mere reactions to our anguish or reveal something hidden, waiting to be discovered. Nightmare of being chased reflects feelings of escape and how we deal with fears in real life. The nightmare of being chased is a harrowing experience where the mind projects an invisible pursuer that never ceases. This type of dream might reflect our fear of being trapped in an oppressive situation in real life. Scientific terror suggests that these dreams could be linked to a primordial fear, a reflection of our deepest anxieties. What really lies behind this pursuit? Perhaps the answer is found in something beyond mere psychology, an echo of a presence or force that challenges conventional understanding. The question continues to haunt, deepening the mystery of our nightmares. Nightmare of screaming and no sound coming out indicates feelings of helplessness and incapacity. The nightmare of screaming with no sound is a distressing and revealing experience. This type of dream is often related to feelings of helplessness and the inability to express oneself in real life. The haunting silence that accompanies these nightmares may signal an unexplored fear. But what if this stifled scream is a sign of something more sinister? Perhaps there are hidden forces trying to silence us, a manifestation of terror that goes beyond mere psychological fear. The enigma deepens as we explore the next nightmare. Nightmare of being naked in public, related to self-esteem and the desire to hide something about oneself. The nightmare of being naked in public is a classic, revealing vulnerability and insecurity. The feeling of exposure and shame can reflect a deep desire to hide something about oneself. This dream is often linked to self-esteem and fear of judgment. However, what lies behind this forced exposure? Is there a more disturbing truth being revealed? Perhaps the terror lies in knowing that when we are most vulnerable, something even more sinister is lurking. Nightmare of being trapped in a confined space, related to feelings of claustrophobia and lack of control. The nightmare of being trapped in a confined space is a powerful symbol of claustrophobia and a lack of control. This dream might indicate deep fears related to being stuck in an inescapable situation. The anguish and panic accompanying these dreams reflect a psychological prison that the mind tries to process. But what truly confines us in these dreams? Are they a window into a deeper fear, a scientific terror that challenges logic and reason? Search for the answer continues to be a mystery. Nightmare of losing teeth. Associated with feelings of loss and aging. The nightmare of losing teeth is an experience that leaves a lasting impact, often associated with feelings of loss and aging. This dream might reflect concerns about appearance or fear of impotence. Losing teeth symbolizes a loss of control over one's life and health. But is there something more behind this fear? Perhaps these dreams reveal a darker truth about aging and mortality that goes beyond simple symbolism. Discovering this mystery may change how we perceive our own fears. Now that you've uncovered the secrets behind the most common nightmares, it's time to put this knowledge to use. Ask yourself, what are your dreams trying to reveal? Fear and curiosity have the power to transform, but you need to act. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and watch the next video on the screen to continue exploring mysteries that could change your view of the world. Don't miss out.